Open for business, baby. Hey, let's go!
Flashback.
It's honk for reps day, baby. Got protein up first, guys. This is a Kirkland protein bar from Costco. This is not sponsored, but I am open to network Costco. I've been getting some hate online recently for the old minivan. This bad boy gets like 12 miles to the gallon. It can seat like 37 people, which is helpful when you have a family of 6. Look at all this storage space for gains. I mean, this is tough to beat. Uno más.
End of flashback.
Couldn't be filming while I'm driving because I'm my own cameraman, but here we are in the Target parking lot. No affiliation, never will be. Anyways, that's another story. About to hit this honk for reps video. Out here today to get some content for Stronger, Faster, Healthier, SFH, Barbell Apparel, and major fitness 3 companies that I partner with. Takes a weird person to go stand out in the street and get people to honk for you to work out, and I'm that guy. Here we go, guys. Hey, let's go. We go GFC. Let's go. Can't be forgetting the protein for later, guys. Very important. Don't want to miss the anabolic window. Yo, it's always so fun when you see people in the car like smiling and stuff when they drive by. Like, some people hate this. Some people, I can tell, I can see their face when they drive by. They think I'm an idiot and they literally hate me. Probably like 7 out of 10 cars absolutely hate this. But those 3 out of 10 that smile and honk and like throw up the flex, it makes this so much fun. I see a car coming, he's gonna be a winner. He wasn't cool. Come on, Honda, do it, do it. Ungrateful. 0 gains upon all of you. 0 gains for them. I hope they missed the anabolic window. Guy with the trailer. Come on, guy. Oh, let's go! Very important that we don't miss the anabolic window. Got some strawberry fuel from SFH. Oh yeah. Oh boy, here comes the police. Hey! Let's go! The police want gains. Gonna make a quick weight change. Y'all check the link in my bio. Major fitness weights, game changer for the garage. I got that Lightning F35 folding power rack. It is sick. Let's go. Let's go. They had a protein shake. Didn't even honk. Disappointed, Toyota.
Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
Boy, guys, they are not feeling it. Honk it. Do it. Let's go. Guys, this is what it's all about. Getting jacked in your community. Getting people hyped up for their workout later. Making dads jacked again. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate you. Let's go. Hey! Woo! Power cleans. Terrible decision. Ah!
T, come out. I'm burning. I want you to burn.
This is my guy. Let's go! Gotta do a quick outfit change real fast. If you're wondering, it is not easy to change into blue jeans when you're sweaty in a minivan. Just a heads up. Also brought the good stuff just in case I needed a little pick me up. Woo! Woo! Okay, let's go. 185-pound power cleans got tough real fast. Don't think less of me, but we're making a quick weight change. I would obviously pick up the barbell right when there's no cars coming. Do it, come on. Let's go. Real quick while I've got you here, barbell apparel jeans are the bomb. Super comfortable, athletic fit. If you got a small waist, big butt, and big quads from training from a long time and being healthy, they got you. Y'all wear them to church on Sundays. Sometimes I hit lunges on a Tuesday morning with 135 pounds on the side of the street. They can do it all. Come on, GMC. Ah, let's go. They get 2 lunges. Subaru's not gonna honk. Come on, G. Oh! Subaru, I'm sorry. Hey, Subaru, 2 for 2? No. 1 out of 2. 50%. I like those odds. Do it. Somebody. Anybody. Oh, let's go. Ooh. Guys, honks are hard to come by today. I will persevere. I've got this fear that I'm going to come out here one time and like my microphone, my $20 microphone is not going to work and I'm going to record like 20 minutes of footage with no audio. That'd be a real bummer. There's a big Chevy coming. I feel good about it. Let's see. Well, thanks for nothing, Chevy. There's a big Mack truck. This guy looks like he lifts. He doesn't skip leg day. He skips leg day. It's a Beamer. They probably work out at Planet Fitness. Cheese and crackers, guys. Give me some honks. Let's go. They get a couple reps. Double honk. That's a good guy. He doesn't skip leg day. Let's go. Let's go. I got to get a couple more reps. Okay. Brandon and Sons moving. I will give you a shout out if you honk the horn. Brandon and Sons. No shout out for you. Hit that subscribe button. Share this with a dad you think might like this, find it funny, and gain some encouragement. We're going to get stacked, jacked, and succulent and encourage some other dads along the way. Back to our normally scheduled programming next Thursday. Upload every Thursday. It'll be the 5th installation of my top 50 exercises for dads, exercises 41 through 50. Make sure you go back and watch parts 1 through 4. We're trying to choose exercises that give you the most bang for your buck, help you get super fit, be a better dad, be a better father. Hit that honk. Let's go! Oh, wait, I got the dump truck. When I say I've got the dump truck, I mean that both literally and figuratively. Until next time. Y'all didn't know I have a daytime job now, so I am hustling, burning the candles at both ends. I got to go home. I got an 8:30 meeting. Then I got to work out. Then I got to go film some content at a gym. It's going to be a busy day. Guys, just a reminder, whatever you're going for, put in the work, put in the hours. You can do it. Let's crush some goals and encourage some other dads along the way.